The reason kung bakit paulit-ulit yung corruption, kasi napakababa ng likelihood of getting caught. Diba? Impeachment, politically, naapektuhan ka, pero pag political kasi, you get pardon, you get to recover. Di ba lahat sila parang nag-recover na?
In Corona's case, criminal charges were filed after he was impeached.
Yeah.
Kaya lang namatay siya.
Mm-mm.
So, sa law, your death extinguishes criminal liability.
Mm-mm.
So, dinismiss na at nung kaso. Hindi mo na pwedeng habulin. So, pwedeng ganun mangyari.
Ano?
Impeach siya, tanggalin siya as vice president, hindi na siya pwedeng tumakbo or ma-appoint ever. Tapos, pwede siyang kasuhan ng criminal cases. Naintindihan niyo, mga troll?
Imagine if the government is actually doing random lifestyle check. Matatakot ka kasi baka masama ka dun sa random
Kumalas
lifestyle check, diba? May nalas ka.